So this is May 8th, 2024. The other day, I saw what I thought to be the first cicada of the incoming brood, basically. Cicadas only, they lay their eggs in the soil and they only emerge every so years. And there are several different, generations, basically, that are in the soil. And it is said that it's supposed to be a really big brood emerging from the soil. Well, the other day I saw a cicada, what I thought was a cicada, flying around. And just today I found a definite first cicada young. It's stormy today, but if you go outside, you can also very clearly see other signs of cicadas. He's just hanging out. I guess they either can't fly yet or they're not inclined to fly just yet. Kind of cute when they're young, honestly. They got big red eyes. I'm gonna let this one go. If you inspect the trees, not that tree, didn't see on that tree, I saw some on this tree. Let's see, there's another one. Oh, that one's actually dead. Yeah, he's getting eaten by ants. Anyways, thought I saw more. Oh, there's another one, a little bit older. It's possible that these guys have been out in the wild for a little while. There's more. There's more. I see 3 of them right there. Exoskeletons, not cicadas. There's another cicada young. Oh, here's another one. No, that's the one I already saw. There's another one. So, what I'm saying is, it has begun. Oh, there's one. Hiding under the siding of the apartment. There's another one. There doesn't appear to be too many on the siding. That's the one I just pointed out. They seem to prefer the concrete. For some reason, there's a lot of exoskeletons right here. I'm not really sure why. Let's see if we can find any in the grass. And there's a little mushroom. There's a few some fungus. We're on the trees. Not seeing them yet. I guess they prefer to hang out on more solid fixtures like trees and the sides of buildings and things like that. So I'm not seeing any over here just yet. Maybe it has less to do with favorable situation and more to do with where the eggs were laid. This mulch surely has been recycled since the eggs were laid, so certainly there would be no eggs laid here. But over here, this grass is the same, this dirt is the same dirt. Theoretically from when the cicadas laid their eggs, though this tree I don't see any cicadas. There's one. exoskeleton of a cicada. No, oh, there's another one. Exoskeleton. And there's another exoskeleton. Oh, it looks like one is actually emerging from its exoskeleton here. That's really cool. It must be quite a slow process. It sure looks slow. He's not really moving noticeably at all. From what I understand, the cicadas come out of the ground. The eggs are laid in the substrate, and I've found cicada larvae before. So from my experience, it seems like they lay their eggs, you know, a few inches deep, like 4, 5, 6 inches deep, something like that. The cicadas emerge from their exoskeleton, and they're soft and gooey, and they climb a tree and they molt and have their new exoskeleton, and then they fly away. So the ones that this one appears to also be in the middle of molting. He moved the tiniest bit when I poked him. Can barely tell. There we go. I fixed my focus thing. There's another. That movement is just a little piece of fuzz, I think. It's just a piece of fuzz in the wind. Yeah, there seems to be. Let's check this. I don't know what that is. There's some more. There's another one that is still in the process of emerging. I obviously don't have any footage from, I don't know what it was, 2001 or something like that, but I have memories because I was a kid, and this is nowhere near the density that it was back then. So kind of hoping that it does get as dense as it was back then, because that was kind of interesting to see. It was really nasty. There's more larvae hanging from that tree. There's another dying one being eaten by ants. I don't know if you can see that. Down here, I don't see too many signs of them. And now we're right back where we started. There's that one that I pointed out earlier. And yeah, that's the state of the cicadas on May 8th, 2024. And I know they've emerged prior to this date because I saw one flying away. And if it was big enough to fly, it must have emerged prior. So, yeah, keep you updated.